So we just reached stop number 2. What the hell? Oh, hold on. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust. What's up? So,
what's up? How's it going?
Going good.
It's a nice looking ski you got here.
I guess it was time for an upgrade. I was forced to upgrade.
You mind if I bench press your ski?
Oh, you can't bench press this damn ski.
Let's see what I got.
Let's see, let's see. You ready to piss off more people?
Yeah. Just lift it up a little bit. Oh, she's too light for me. I need something bigger. I like, you know,
big.
Like a really
you like big girls, huh?
Like
big girls.
Kawasaki kind of girls. So this is oh my god.
So you go hit it one time, One time.
That time. Look, skis and skis. Doing this poker run today. More and more just showing up. Some more over there, some more over here. Alvean. Christian, nice to meet you. Yeah. Oh, see, you got the SureCan. That's the way to do it. Shit. I love SureCan. Coming? Yeah. There goes mine. Damn it! Here, come on, help me real quick. Because the weight shifted it. There, thank you. His big ass made it fall. Oop, going back, it's okay. It's okay, do it again. There you go. So you just line it up, then throttle it. It'll be good.
Drop it right in where it's supposed to. That's my first time getting one.
Well, we got it on video. I got the first one where you backed up and go ahead. Ooh, there you go. It's good.
What am I going for?
So we're on our first stop for this poker run in Topwater Grill. We decided to just get down and get a drink. Just one drink, just one, before we head to Redfish.
30-minute ride across the bay. We're pretty sober still.
Yeah. And
we'll shake off the drink on the way to Redfish.
With the chop that was going on.
I'm buying.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
How's it going?
Good. That's what I was like, we're on the other side. Okay. this will give me some idea. I used to.
What do you need to shove?
A little cloudier and a little windier.
Oh shit. Well, at least we came to Redfish first.
Oh my god, yeah. It was
What the hell?
What happened, man? We went to that.
Oh, you went all in there?
It was a waste of time. They got bruised here.
Donnie! Where have you been?
I had to catch up. We got to walk our hall out first.
Yeah, that's why you. What's up, y'all? So we just finished our first stop. Now we're on to the second stop. I mean, we're running. You know, we just had to stop by and get some drinks. Look at how many skis are out here. We were just at this top water bar grill. Where y'all going after this? Redfish? See y'all there. Go! Business call. It's just a little business call going on. Need to get me a cooler like this. Yeah, I figured this. Hold in.
I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling.
Is it choppy for y'all guys? So we're gonna go back into the lake. Did you got it where he said if you want to go to Sylvan or not?
Oh yeah.
So Sylvan, that's just for that extra card. See, y'all would look nice in some new Seadoo jackets. It's a good ride.
Yeah. We've never been out here.
What?
This is my wife Sarah.
Hi.
And I'm
Alvean. That's a
and my brother Jason. I invited him on.
Alvean. So how was it going across the bay?
I didn't think it was that bad, but they were saying it was pretty choppy.
What?
But I had
I
nothing
checked
to
a couple of
compare
days.
it to.
A couple of days ago, it was only supposed to be like 5-mile-an-hour winds out of like the west
Yeah.
southwest.
But I think it picked up a little bit, yeah. Because it was.
Rounded around Keem, I was like, oh, we're in for a rough ride.
All right, guys. So we just reached stop number 2. What the hell? Oh, hold on. That's what I get for not looking. You know I gotta come over here. What happened? What happened? Why are y'all off your ski? Basically, we just got to our stop number 2. Redfish Island, and we're gonna go back to Clear Lake and do the other stops in there. As you can see, we got a pretty good sized group out here. These guys were trying to splash. Kevin was trying to splash somebody else. Hey! And fell off his ski. He was just trying to squirt, do the little squirt going on.